you need to set up a mileage rate. If you wonder what is a mileage rate, is the amount you're willing to take per mile. Let's say if for every mile you need $2, $3, or $4, it's up to you to set this up. The first thing when you receive an offer from Spark Driver, the amount they're gonna pay you, and after that you jump to the mileage. Based off the amount, you see if he's not gonna make the $2 per mile, you just let it go. Let me do a quick math with you to understand what I'm saying. So if you're somebody, you take $2 per mile, it's not gonna be $2. Let's be realistic. Even though you want to accept order $2, it's not gonna be $2 flat. It's gonna $2 something, $2.50, $2.70. It's gonna be more than that. But right now, let's stay. If you drive 100 miles per day and you make $2.50, that's gonna give you $250 per day. And if you go up, if you take the $250 per day, you time by 5 day you work, you're gonna make $1,250. Even though you take the $250 for your expensive, you're still gonna have $1,000 left.